For today's vlog, kakain kami dito sa Chikahan sa Robinson, Iligan City. While waiting sa pagkain, meron sila ditong answer sheet na pwede mong sagutan tulad ng ginagawa ko, guys. Ayan. At sa wakas, dumating na yung in-order naming pagkain. Kainan na. Kumain tayo, guys. At yun na nga, pagkatapos naming kumain, namasyal kami at kumain na naman ulit dito sa Dunkin Donut. Yan, kumain at uminom ng kanilang brewed coffee.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Fort Santiago dito sa Iligan City. Pinasyal ko tong aking kaibigan. Yan. Yan sila from Manila. Ito Iligan, oh, malaki oh. Oh. Nice kayo, 'di ba? Welcome to Iligan City.
Vlogger mo ka. Where are we?
We're here in Iligan City. Paseo de Santiago. Yan. Okay. And nag-i-enjoy talaga sila dito sa Paseo de Santiago. Dito sa Iligan City. Ang place na ito ay established since 2014. Okay? And so far, maganda na talaga yung lugar. Ako pumunta dito last 2017 at hindi pa siya ganito kaganda. But now, grabe na yung development ng lugar. Kaya highly recommend ko yung mga magbabakasyon dito sa Iligan na you must try visit this place. Maganda mag-chill dito. Yan. And picture perfect yung lugar. Marami kayong pwedeng pag-picturean. Yes. How do you find Iligan City?
It's very interesting.
There's a lot of really
very unique,
yes,
interesting, and attractive.
Wow.
And a tourist spot.
Yes, perfect tourist spot. The place is safe.
The place is safe, and even though it's dark, but there's so many lights. It's so festive.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't expect that there's a light inside here, right?
Yes, because the place
quite interesting.
is like it's kind of dark coming here, but when you reach the place, it's full of lights.
Yeah, that's right.
And it's beside the beach.
Beach.
Yes.
For those who love beaches, come.
This is the place.
This is the place, the perfect place for you to come with.
Yes.
Highly recommend Iligan City, Paseo de Santiago.
What is it?
Kinabukasan, pumunta kami sa syudad ng Cagayan de Oro City para mag-grocery dito sa SNR.
Yes. Madami-dami na rin yung grocery namin ngayon. Yeah. Sila. Ang sugar.
Wala gisa? Kadira.
At pagkatapos naming mag-grocery, pumunta kami agad dito sa Panagatan. Dito kami magdi-dinner.
Okay, good evening guys. Nandito na ngayon tayo sa Panagatan, Cagayan de Oro City. Ay, Cagayan. Upol pala. Upol, Misamis Oriental. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa loob. Show da mamaya. Kasi 45 minutes pa daw bago maluto yung mga pagkain. Yan. Dito kami banda sa kanilang Panagatan No Word. Dito meron sila may area dito na pwede tayong mag picture taking. Okay? Yan. Okay. Yan. Naghihintay pa kami ng food na maluto. Ganito po maganda dito sa Upol, Misamis Oriental. Ito po ay isang restaurant, seafood restaurant to be exact, kasi puro mga fish, mostly yung mga pinahain. From the word Panagatan, dagat or basta ganun. Yan, bye muna. Panagatan, Upol, Misamis Oriental.